Hello, this is Shanti Das, and this week's question is, okay, do older artists really have to adapt to the new sound? If you are an older hip hop artist, kind of like a Tribe Called Quest vibe, I don't need you to be all trapped out. You really need to figure out what your lane is, what your zone is, and do it well. I tell people, even when I talk around the country, be so great that they can't deny you. And that holds true in your music. Don't try to be somebody that you're not. The worst thing that you can do is to try to create a music and sound just because you think that's what's working or that's what's winning right now. And I will say this much, because we're in a digital landscape now and it's a lot easier to put out music, the marketplace and the landscape is really crowded. So you have to find a way to make yourself shine. But again, you're not gonna make yourself shine just trying to do everything else, that everybody else is doing. You gotta be true to who you are, all right?